Hi, my name is Katusha, and in this video I'm going to give you 5 benefits of testicle massage and why you should do this practice daily. Testicle massage is a Taoist practice that's been created thousands of years ago to straighten your erections and to release pressure and discomfort in the area. The testicles, as you know, manufacture sperm and create 95% of your testosterone. So your testicles influence not just your sexual but also physical and emotional well-being. Just as it is important for women to massage their breasts for detoxification, for establishing a loving relationship with one's body, it is super important for you men to connect to that potent area of your anatomy. So let's dive into the benefits of testicle massage. Number 1, testicle massage increases your testosterone levels. If for nothing else, this is a super important part. Low levels of testosterone used to be associated with aging with older men. Not anymore, unfortunately, because there's a pandemic going on in the world. Younger men are having low testosterone levels. A wide-scale research shows that younger men nowadays are not so keen to have sex than men 30 years ago, and they're having less sex, and therefore they're having lower levels of testosterone. That's right. The more sex you have, the higher levels of testosterone you have. It is vitally important to have those testosterone levels in check, not just for your sexual desire and sexual performance, but for your health overall. It will support your muscle mass, it will support your bone density, it will support your brain function. To learn how to do testicle massage, go ahead and download my free testicle massage guide and an audio download to help you, to guide you through the process. Number 2, testicle massage will help you to have stronger erections, and it will help you to last longer in bed. Therefore, it will help you with premature ejaculation. We women do not like the sensation of a semi-hard penis between our legs. And there is nothing more frustrating for women when a guy comes before we do, right? You know this. Number 3, testicle massage promotes you with higher sperm count. That's right, your sperm becomes a better quality. So if you are trying to conceive a baby, go ahead and start doing your testicle massage every day. Number 4, it releases tension and stagnation in the area. Precisely with this thought in minds of those Asian sex gurus thousands of years ago, the testicle massage was invented. It releases the tension tissue and it provides a great blood circulation, blood flow to the area, just like any massage. Number 5, it boosts your sexual stamina and masculinity that we women crave so much, I would say, especially nowadays. It helps you to connect and to establish a deeper relationship with yourself. And in your free testicle massage guide that you can download by clicking on a link below, in the end I give you a meditation to empower your important masculine qualities and embody them and bring them out for the world to see. And the last thing I would like to add, bring your partner into this practice, because it will create more intimacy between you. Just make sure she doesn't wear any sharp rings or doesn't have those sharp long nails, because you know how sensitive this area is. And then my next video soon, I will teach you how to perform a breast massage for her. It is also a very intimate and beautiful practice. If this resonates with you, if this sounds like fun, please click that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to know when my next video is coming out. Thank you for watching. I will see you very soon. Bye.